Here you go again. Yesterday before going home we decided to trench these 5 homes. So we got 1, 2, 4, and then 5. So there is 5 homes in here that they're gonna go to a splitting box that we're gonna put in later on. And the main feed, it's this one coming from one of the junction that we have. So we work around one part of the time. So we use the Trencher Z45 22-1. Nah, I'm just joking. We just use the easy trencher, 10 inches down on the ground and done. So we get this done yesterday. Hopefully it rained a little bit, but hopefully it rained a little bit more. So the trenching, and then to compact it we use the compactor F25 23 ZM. No. We use my Toyota Tacoma. Yep, that is a good compactor. It did the trick. You know, we're just making it easy. And this trench, it goes right here. And then we use that knife trencher, man. That thing is amazing. Need a small piece of PVC, that way when they cut the grass they don't eat the fiber. We spooled it right here right now, but we'll be putting a disconnect box in here in the back, or maybe we'll attach it to the mobile home. I don't know yet. We'll figure that out later on today. And so fiber will stop right here. There's a lot of small PVC cable. Then we're gonna hump to between these 2 poles to go into all those homes and backward to all those homes on the other side. So it's quite a big project, but one man, baby, and a half. Yeah. So it's funny things, you know, engineering sometimes. When you do a plan like that, it would take 3-4 months with so much. I can engineer a whole freaking RV park with all the roads that it has on it and everything. Within 30 minutes, I will have the draft. What needs to go where, what cable, what size, everything. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes for me to do it. And I will know by the end how many foot do I need of 24 count or 36 count, whatever I'm using, how many drops I'm gonna have, how long they are, where my splitting box will be, all that good stuff. So, and then that's a weird thing sometimes. I notice it when you try to update your service with big corporates, it takes 3 months for them, and it tells you if you go up, you never come down. Me, no. If somebody calls me, want to update the service to the next plan, it takes 1 minute. Boom. Up and running. And if he wants to go down again, no problem. You decide, well, with this RV park, we're only offering 1 plan at the moment right now. Affordable. We work with the community here and we give them discount from our side, and then on top of that, we take the ACP program, so we make it easy for them. Here you go, this job is done for here. I'm gonna move to the next one and we'll see you on the next one.